in the pre-market, make a plan and stick to it. This is something that I preach to the Discord community. This is something that I preach to the YouTube community day in and day out. And today, big L for Top Sniper. What is going on, traders? Hope you guys crushed it today. Today was my first L of 2024. I own that L. I'm going to be going over exactly why I took that L. But if I would have stuck to my game plan that I made in the pre-market, today would have been a 5-figure day. So, first things first, guys. Let's get into it. I ended up alerting to the Discord in the pre-market live stream this morning, guys. And I said I wanted puts at 514 to the mid 514s. And I wanted to, my price target was 510. I told them it was very risky because the market is obviously very bullish. The pre-market was very bullish. And I got talked out of it, okay? I'm just going to be honest. I got talked out of it, not from a random person, from technical analysis, the 4-hour downtrend line that multiple people were following, okay? So when I wanted to get into puts, my gut was telling me get into puts at opening candle as soon as we reached up here. I did not take that trade, unfortunately. This ended up being a full dollar move on SPY. It was a picture-perfect trade. And then the next key level ended up being at 515.50. Dimitri told me, don't get puts until 515.50, guys. 2 cent shorts, 2 cents away from the best short of the entire day today. But my original plan would have worked. If you look at the 30-minute chart, I'm going to show you why I lost money today. I ended up switching to the 30-minute time frame, right? Guys, you see this candle right here? This is a 30-minute shooting star candle at a major key level 514. I was in calls at the bottom of this wick. I ended up selling them for a nice win, a decent sized win. Nothing crazy. It wasn't like the best trade in the world, but like I was green. I made a decent amount of money. I was happy. As soon as I sold my calls, I got into puts. Why? One of the most bearish candles you can possibly have, and it's on the higher time frame, and it's at a key level. Like this, like to me, was a no freaking brainer. I ended up going a week out with the puts, guys. Hit 200 contracts, lost $5,000 on this trade. I was livid. I was so salty and so angry because this was a picture perfect setup. And this is what I want you guys to realize. You can have the most confirmation of a trade, right? You can have the best setup possible, A1 setup, ready to go, and it may not work out. My stop loss was the high of the shooting star candle. I ended up getting in early, right? I bought in 50 contracts, doubled down 100 contracts, doubled down 200 contracts, ended up losing over $5,000 on this trade, and I deserve it. I wasn't trading the 5-minute time frame. I usually only scalp on the 5-minute time frame, and then I ended up playing the higher time frame, which I do preach. I always watch the higher time frames, but I was playing a candlestick, right? Dimitri was telling me, we just bounced off the uptrend line, get out. Like he was telling me personally, like, get out, it's gonna go up. But I was so biased playing this 5-minute shooting star candle and a 30-minute, I ended up holding until a new high of day, and I got stopped out. That was my stop loss. Very unfortunate day, but with that being said, my game plan to short the mid 514s 2 weeks out was the best trading setup you could have possibly thought of. This morning's pre-market, guys, we broke out of so many key levels. We didn't retest 510.50, 510, 510.83, 511.23, and then our major key level 511.81. We just gapped up. So of course I was bearish first thing in the morning, right? As you should be, but the trend was bullish, so we don't want to jump into being ultra bear. I was giving it some time. The 30-minute candle closed at a shooting star at a major key level. I'm up to right now. It pisses me off because it was such a great setup that didn't work out. And I'm happy that I was able to go through that trade, right? It humbled me a little bit because I was so confident. I was so cocky. My free money, like I'm going to make a bag on this trade, X, Y, and Z. I had 200 contracts at the top. You know what I mean? And it just didn't work out, guys. And that's why I'm here to tell you guys and share to you guys my trading experience on the day today, because even though I had a great setup with a higher time frame confirmation, and it just didn't work out. And I'm okay to take an L like that. I've been very, very lucky and grateful and blessed, guys, for the last 3 months that I've had. I've probably made more money in the last 3 months than like 10 years of working at my old construction job. I'm very blessed. I'm not complaining. It just sucks. And it's something you are going to go through when you are playing the best level to be buying at, the best setup possible. And sometimes the market makers, they'll just screw you over and they'll just rip it past or dump it down below. And this is why risk management is so important. This is why I preach risk management. Have hard stops, guys. Always be taking control of your position. Don't let your position take control of you. Play what the chart tells you, nothing else. That's why as soon as we made a new high of day with that shooting star candle was no longer in play. But from my experience trading SPY, if I see a shooting star candle and it ends up making a new high, it eventually sells off. And it just happened today. I didn't want to chase anything. I already hit my max risk. My max risk is $5,000 on the day. I hit my max risk. I made plenty of money last week. This loss doesn't affect me, but it just sucks, and I'm salty about it, because if I would have just stuck to my game plan, I would have made a lot of money today. But anyways, moving forward, let's go see what the rest of the week looks like and the game plan for tomorrow. Let's click the 5-minute first. So we had heavy resistance at 515, right? 515 to 515.63 was my sell area. You see how I made these levels red? This was my shorting area. I own the L for not shorting my short area because I lost money on a stupid trade and I didn't want to re-enter. But if you're a part of the pre-market live stream this morning, guys, in the Discord, I made this level and this is where I want shorts, guys. And it was the best short of the day. So what are we looking at? So we did not retest the previous support, right? At 514, we just broke through it. 514 now is going to become a big key level for myself. I know we're going to be like a magnet. We have a lot of news coming out this week. It's going to be very volatile. You need to be buying at major key levels, not micro key levels with little touch points. I'm talking about going on the 5-minute time frame, looking for the most touch points, wicks, bodies, whatever it is, the way you make your trading, your key levels, guys, the way you trade. Make sure that you double check it and back test it on the 5-minute time frame, that you have a lot of touch points. Okay, you want it to be like a magnet. When we're down, we come up. When we come up, we come back down. You want that level to be a great freaking level. 514, phenomenal level. We may gap down tomorrow, to be honest. But I don't want to get overly bearish, guys. Screw your opinions. Screw what the news tells you. I don't care. I play the chart, and the chart right now, we are still bullish. We did have a little bit of a sell-off towards the end of the day, but we don't know how we're going to open in the morning. So first things first, our key level, 514. Okay, what other key level did we end up respecting today, especially in the after hours? We have a key level here, 512.85. Let's make this a little bit bigger so we can start taking it a little bit more seriously. 512.85. To the downside, 511.81 was not retested. All you got to do is add this to your chart and scroll left. You're going to see it's major resistance, major touch points, guys. This is a level to be watching, 511.81. We also broke through 510.50 and 510. If you follow these lines across, these two lines right here, you know what? I'm going to make them green so you can follow better. Is there a green? Yeah. This is going to be our buy level between 510.50 and 510. All you got to do is scroll to the left. Look how much time we've spent in this area. Look at the big rejections. Look at the big sell-offs. Look at the big bounces from this level. This is why this is going to be my buy area. Things may change first thing in the morning, guys. I'm going to be live streaming on YouTube 9:15, 15 minutes before market open, guys. I like to give a quick analysis. I'm going to start doing it more often. And this Thursday, guys, I'm going to be going live on YouTube. I'm going to be showing you guys everything, right? The entire Discord experience with the moderators, everything, the chat. We're going live for the day on Thursday, guys. Thursday, marking your calendars. This Thursday, we are going live to YouTube for free. The Discord is going live. We're going to have all our moderators there. We're going to have the chat. We're going to have everything there. If you'd like to be a part of it, if you would like to understand and know more about our Discord and what we offer, guys, Thursday is a day. Other than that, the link is in the bio if you'd like to be a part of our family, guys. Since December, Dimitri and myself are up over multi-six figures, each of us, just since December. So if you'd like to know how we do this, link is in the bio, guys. That's it for me today. Thank you guys so much. Remember, options trading. Remember this. I don't care where you are. I don't care how much money you make on futures. Funded accounts and prop firms may be going under soon. We don't know anything. Touch up on your options. Please just touch up on your options, guys, just in case anything were to happen. It's always good to have another skill set, another tool in your belt moving forward. That is it for me today, guys. Thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, supporting the channel. I appreciate it. Podcast episode 6 dropped. Check it out. The link is in the bio, and I'll see everyone tomorrow, guys. Take care and stay green.